All right, everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. I want to show you a house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath over here in Hawaii. They're doing some major fix-up. So, see these big trucks? So the major fix-up is involving all new plumbing, all new electric. Pretty soon it's going to be a new roof. You know, as long as you're at it, got to do everything that needs to be done. New kitchen, new bathrooms, and it's always fun, but what a project. A lot of moving parts in projects like that, and a lot of big trucks. All right, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Love your comments. Talk soon.